Okay, guys, here we are again in the storage unit, and we are persevering to increase this floor space. Yeah, and I just thought of something that might be interesting, so we're going to try and shoot some videos, generate some content here. How can I put it? Things, when they outlive their usefulness, can end up being garbage or mementos, depending on what they mean to you. And so this thing is in my way at the moment. This is a pit sign that I fabricated 20 years ago. It means a little bit, not much, but I always thought that eventually it would be a good man cave candidate for a wall hanging. And I've got this nifty little wall with an edge. Let's see. And I've got these guys. And I've got this stuff. Okay. I've already been through my bungee cord collection, looking for hooks that I could use. I've got a bucket full of wall peg stuff that, seeing as there's no holes for them, I can't use. And so we're going to take this safety wire and these safety wire pliers and make a nifty little hook to go in that hole and reach over the edge of that wall for right now, just to get this thing off the ground. Also, the previous video, we now have a decent set of storage drawers. The little boxes still need tending to. We need to arrest the rust and such. But oh, come on. The fiddle fartiness continues, but we now have 3 on the sliders, 1 on top, and we've got space down here for things like that. Okay, so anyway, what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and show you how to use this tool and how we're going to cobble something up. And we got a nifty little light we're going to turn on here. So, oh, God. So, bear with me just a minute. Let me look at my options and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're going to use those safety wire pliers and that safety wire to make a hook. Usually you might put a bolt and a vise just so you have something to pull on, and my vise is not here. It's on my fab table over at Mike's. So what I've done here is we have my hand truck with an engine block on it. Okay, so that's going to give us something to wrap that wire around. We got this nifty little light here. Try to improve production value a little bit. So this is safety wire. It's available at SRI. This particular wire appears to be 40 something. It's all, anyway, stainless steel in a roll. You just pull it out. Okay. And we're going to, I'm going to visualize this a little bit more. Okay. And what we're going to do is safety wire pliers. This is a special tool. This is aviation-based technology that we use on the race cars. And we're going to visualize something akin to this to begin with. This is probably too much for what I want to do, but all right, let's get it close. Here, let me make an adjustment here if I haven't already. Yep. Okay. A little wider angle here. Anyway, use this for securing things you don't want to come loose. A lot of times you'll drill a hole in the head of a bolt or two bolts and then use this to tie those bolts together so that they don't spin. You can drill a hole in the radiator cap. Alright, anyway, you squeeze and there's a little lock right here. Okay. And then there's a little spinny thing. Oh, you broke? Yep, and we can't pull that way. Okay. So, and the spinny thing's broke. So, now we're just going to manually twist this wire. I've only had these pliers 25 years. And I haven't used them in 10, so. And I guess I could have got a drill out, but we're in a storage unit, and I don't own that many rechargeable tools. So we're going to twist this wire like this. And it don't look that stiff right now, okay? But take my word, we're going to make a hook out of this stuff. Okay, and that's a neat thing. This stuff, it's one of those things that's only limited by your imagination. Kind of like hot glue and Bondo. Alright. So now, instead of a twisty, flippy little wire, we've doubled that. And we're going to double it again. Okay, and because we got the nifty little cutters right here, we're gonna start finessing it. And now I think about a little extra length will help. because the edge of that wall is so high. Okay. We now have 4 of those wires twisted tightly. And this stuff's going to get stiff. And when we put a hook in it, given the weight, the light weight that we're dealing with, and that we're going to be in a shear plane with gravity, this will be sufficient. Alright, there you go. Alright, and that is, it's still flexible, but once we put the hooks in it, now this is probably not going to cut 4 pieces of wire, so we're gonna spread these a little bit. Okay, and the other thing is, where I cut this wire is very sharp, and so we got to be careful. Do something. Come on. And that's another thing. Oh, yep. You can only do them. Yep. As you twist it, this stuff work hardens. It actually gets, I don't know if tougher is the proper term, but it gets stiffer, maybe. All right. Come on. Come on. All right. Sometimes you got to do it like that. All right. So now we got these sharp ends we got to deal with. I'm going to try and heal that a little bit and kind of make it so that they're turned in on themselves and not trying to bite me. Okay, so that, okay, that's pretty friendly. And actually, this, instead of cutting this, we can probably just grab this. Actually, we'll make this the top hook, given the situation we're dealing with. Alright, so that's the top hook. That's going to go over the edge of the wall. And this can be the bottom hook. And because of the geometry of the hole we're dealing with, now I'm probably going to need a ladder, which I ain't got around here. Hold on. We'll figure something, bucket or something. Are you still here? Yeah, you're still here. All right. Empty bucket. Where have I got an empty bucket? We'll figure something out. Alright, so should be able to put that through there. Now we'll give her a little squeeze. Oh, actually I can get this without a damn. It's going to take a piece of tape. Give this a squeeze. Okay. Come on. Alright. Yep. Tape. We've got the tape. And you are ancient, but are you sticky enough? That'll work for 10 seconds probably. Alright. We're going to put this right here. It ain't got to live there. It's just got to work for about a minute. And we're just going to take this and right there. All right. That's it. Okay. Just little fiddle party doodads. Talk to y'all later.